Right, in this video we are going to try and take off this rear part. So this is the original factory sort of top bit. Now a lot of spoilers stick on, but some new ones are coming out and we haven't designed them. And they are actually replace this whole panel. So in this video, we're going to show how to take that off. You may also need to change your brake light and the brake light connector. Now, I'll put the link if I remember, remind me if I don't, there, how to remove these panels. These two panels actually just pull off. They're a bit fierce and sometimes they come apart. Now, I've got some extra electric that I've routed to this panel, something I haven't perfected yet, but we're working on. There's quite a good access here, drops down on either side as well. You've got the fuse box on that side. Right, so let's have a go at getting it out. Right, so what do we reckon? We haven't had this off before. So Alicia's got a 10mm spanner. So let's just have a look at that bolt a minute, sorry. So we've coloured it orange, so there's a bolt there. Right, you get on with that, Alicia. It's 10mm, isn't it? And then there's one here. Other than that, I think it just pulls off. So we're hopeful it just pulls off. And then at the end of the video, we'll have a look at the spoiler that we've been sent as a sample. Thank you, Alicia. So that is the bolt there. It's nice with its little fixed washer. We like those. So I don't know if this trim, we might need to pull this trim back. What do you reckon, Alicia? Yeah, it gets close there. So we'll pull that trim. The later models have really white gloopy glue all over that trim. It's horrible. Whoa! There you go. Right. I think... Right. What do you reckon? Trim tool, or do you just want to get angry with it, Alicia? Whoa! We're breaking everything. Right. Do you reckon, have you got a grip under here? Yeah, there's a nice hand grip. You can get a hand grip under there and give it a good yank. Or is there more bolts? Right. There is a naughty little bolt. We haven't coloured it orange. It's right up in there. I think that's got something to do with why it's not coming off. All right, Alicia, do you want to get that one out?
Yep.
So it looks like there's a sort of plastic bracket. We'll have a look in a second. It all will become clear. It's one of the last bits of this car we haven't taken apart, I reckon. That got it?
Yeah.
Right, yeah, get on with the other one. Do the other side. So let me check if they're all... So all those 4 screws holding it on are all the same. Look. So what do we reckon now, Alicia? Push it up, does it?
Yeah.
There you go. It's stuck on at that end, Alicia. Have we got it a bit twisted?
Possibly, yeah.
Possibly. Let's have a look. Yeah, put that down a bit. Now try and get that end up. That's it. You don't want to do it in a careful because we'll have some wires going in here. Right, we've got a brake light wire. Right, so does that... How does that dock in there? Got to push a little bit on the back of there. Right, yeah, so show us where you were pushing, Alicia.
Just here.
On that back edge there, yeah. And that releases that. Now, is that all... Right, you lift that end, Alicia. You got it, the whole thing. Well, what else have we got in there? We've got this wire going. What's that? Is that an antenna? Oh, that's the same sort of thing, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh no. That is the brake cable, but I think it's on one of those fir tree fixings, the connector at the back. Let's have a look how that's connected. Get the trim tool on it, see how it is. Now that came off easy enough, didn't it? Yeah, so it's just a little fir tree fixing. It may slide out, but that's painless enough. Right, can you grab it now, Alicia? And let's have a look. So that is the spoiler removed. So let's have a look. So what clips has it got? See? So yeah, so we've got these metal clips. So check you've got all of those present. 1, 2. Oh, have we snapped one there? Maybe we'll have to have a look. Is it? Yeah, I don't. But this is our first time getting it off. 1. So that's weird. We've lost one. There, one broke off. Look, we've left one soldier behind there, and that's the first time we've had that off. So we'll undo that. But yeah, that's your brake light connector. It looks like we've got some. We'll have to have a look what these are. These are some. Do you reckon that they could be RF antennas or something? But it's got 2 antennas, one here. And they haven't got part numbers on either. But they go through this. So they look like some Probably some antennas there, might be Wi-Fi or whatever.